Hi, I'm Jeremy with Restoration One of Central Houston. I have been working with Greg Sargent for 3 months now. I am the business owner, and I got with Greg because my team needed help. We're a new franchise. We've been in business a year and a half, and we needed some guidance. We needed organization, and we needed help with sales. Greg has worked with me. He's worked with my ops team, and he's worked with my sales peeps. And he's really helped us put it together. He's helped organize. He's helped us organize from an operational standpoint. He's helped us dispatch. He's helped us with billing, and he's helping us get more jobs and bill more for each one of our jobs. I would recommend anybody that's in the same situation that we are to work with Greg. Utilize all his tools, all his training, all his information. He's a wealth of knowledge.
Hi, my name's Adam. I'm the man with the van, and Greg Sargent's helped us with organization. He's helped us make sure that our van is running smoothly and that we have a comprehensive little guide of what goes on each shelf. And as a new technician, it is very important for me to understand the basics and fundamentals that Mr. Greg Sargent has.
Hey guys, I'm Trey with Restoration One. I'm the lead tech here, and Greg has helped us out with a lot of things, especially with putting a little bit of money in my back pocket with the bonus system. So every time we put down air scrubbers or injector dries, e-tests, anything like that, we get a little bonus, and it really helps me out with paying for the gas and bills and helping buy my son little extra things along the way. On top of that though, he's helped us put money into the company by helping us just beef up our billing and anything with Xactimate, figuring out how to properly bill and get around the adjusters and kind of work with them and getting higher pricing.
Hello, I'm Hamid, the project manager at Restoration One, and Greg has helped us tremendously, especially by telling us about this magical tool that helps tear down flooring very easily. A job that would take months, well not months, maybe weeks. It took us only 4 days. Also, our note system, he implemented it for us and keeps us more organized, everybody on the same page. So I really recommend Greg. He's been a great asset to this company. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Grace with Restoration One of Central Houston, and I am our business development manager. So we have been working with Greg for the past 3 months, and he has really helped us with our sales. So one thing he's helped us do is he's helped us leverage the network we've already had to get more jobs. So one thing we've really been using with our plumber network is we got them these wet check meters. And what I like to do is I like to call them our money maker. It helps us convert jobs from the customer to the plumber to us much more easily. Another thing that we have done is helped get more relationships with insurance agents by working with our customers, asking who their insurance agent is, and then communicating with that insurance agent about what's going on with their customer to help them retain that customer longer. So those are just a couple of really great things that we have learned from Greg. He's really helped us fine tune and leverage our network in a really, really great way. So definitely recommend working with Greg, and thank you guys.